The future of breeding racing pigeons. A genetic perspective on VIP, TR beta-2, CRY1, CRY2, and CRY4. The competitive world of racing pigeons has long relied on the careful selection of breeding pairs to enhance traits such as speed, endurance, homing ability, and overall health. With the advent of genetic research, however, breeders are now beginning to explore how specific genes influence these traits. In particular, 5 genes, VIP, TR beta-2, CRY1, CRY2, and CRY4, have garnered attention for their potential roles in the success of racing pigeons. Understanding these genes and their implications could revolutionize the breeding and training of racing pigeons, ensuring the future of the sport remains competitive and scientifically informed. VIP, vasoactive intestinal peptide. Overview and function. The vasoactive intestinal peptide, VIP, is a gene with significant influence over circadian rhythms and immune regulation. In birds, VIP plays a crucial role in the control of biological clocks, which are vital for regulating behavior, metabolism, and migration patterns. For racing pigeons, the regulation of circadian rhythms can directly impact their ability to navigate long distances and maintain optimal energy levels during flight. Relevance to racing pigeons. Circadian rhythms affect how pigeons perceive time and direction, both of which are crucial in races. Pigeons with a well-regulated internal clock may be better at synchronizing their behavior with environmental cues, such as the position of the sun or changes in the Earth's magnetic field. Studies suggest that enhancing the expression of VIP or selecting birds with naturally superior VIP function could improve timekeeping and orientation in racing pigeons. Future applications. Breeders could use genetic testing to identify pigeons with advantageous variants of the VIP gene. Additionally, environmental enrichment and training programs tailored to optimize circadian rhythms could be developed, leveraging VIP-related pathways to maximize racing performance. TR beta-2, thyroid hormone receptor beta-2. Overview and function. Thyroid hormones are fundamental in regulating metabolism, growth, and energy production. The TR beta-2 gene encodes a receptor that interacts with these hormones, influencing how efficiently cells use energy. In birds, TR beta-2 is particularly important for brain development and sensory processing, both of which play pivotal roles in navigation and spatial awareness. Relevance to racing pigeons. Pigeons rely on a combination of visual, magnetic, and olfactory cues to navigate. The TR beta-2 gene's role in sensory processing suggests that variations in this gene could enhance a pigeon's ability to interpret environmental signals. Furthermore, optimized energy metabolism mediated by TR beta-2 could provide racing pigeons with the stamina needed for long flights. Future applications. Selective breeding for desirable TR beta-2 variants could improve both cognitive function and physical endurance. Genetic modifications or treatments targeting thyroid hormone pathways might also be explored to enhance the physiological capabilities of racing pigeons, though ethical and regulatory considerations would need to be addressed. CRY1, CRY2, and CRY4, Cryptochromes. Overview and function. Cryptochromes are a group of light-sensitive proteins that play a key role in regulating circadian rhythms and magnetoreception. In birds, CRY1, CRY2, and CRY4 have been identified as crucial components of the magnetic compass system, allowing pigeons to detect and interpret the Earth's magnetic field. CRY1, primarily involved in maintaining circadian rhythms, CRY1 helps synchronize behavioral patterns with environmental light cycles. CRY2, this cryptochrome also contributes to circadian regulation and may play a supplementary role in magnetoreception. CRY4, of particular interest, CRY4 has been strongly implicated in the ability of birds to sense magnetic fields, making it a cornerstone of avian navigation. Relevance to racing pigeons. Navigation is the most critical skill for a racing pigeon, and cryptochromes are at the heart of this ability. Variations in CRY4 expression or function could explain why some pigeons are better navigators than others. Similarly, the circadian roles of CRY1 and CRY2 may influence a pigeon's ability to time their flights and optimize energy usage. Future applications. Genetic screening for CRY4 variants could become a standard practice in selecting breeding pairs, ensuring that offspring inherit superior magnetoreceptive abilities. Advances in biotechnology may also allow for targeted interventions to enhance cryptochrome function. Training strategies could be refined to align with the pigeon's magnetic and circadian systems, maximizing their natural navigational capabilities. Integrating genetic insights into breeding practices. The integration of genetic knowledge into racing pigeon breeding is a multifaceted process. It involves not only identifying advantageous gene variants but also understanding how these genes interact with each other and the environment. The following strategies could shape the future of the sport. Genetic testing and selection. Breeders could use DNA sequencing to identify pigeons with favorable genetic profiles, focusing on genes like VIP, TR-beta-2, and the Cryptochromes. By selecting breeding pairs with complementary traits, it would be possible to produce offspring with enhanced performance potential. Gene-environment interaction. Even with optimal genetics, environmental factors play a significant role in determining a pigeon's success. Tailored training regimens and carefully managed diets could help maximize the expression of beneficial genes. Biotechnological advances. Techniques such as gene editing using CRISPR-Cas9 could one day allow breeders to directly modify genes associated with desirable traits. While this approach is still in its infancy and raises ethical questions, it represents a potential avenue for future exploration. Holistic health management. Genetic insights can also inform better health management practices. For example, understanding the role of VIP in immune regulation could lead to new strategies for preventing diseases that might otherwise compromise a pigeon's performance. Ethical and practical considerations. While the potential benefits of genetic advancements in racing pigeon breeding are immense, they must be balanced against ethical and practical concerns. Genetic diversity. Overemphasis on specific genes could reduce genetic diversity, making pigeon populations more susceptible to disease and other challenges. Welfare concerns. The pursuit of genetically perfect racing pigeons must not come at the expense of their welfare. Breeding practices should prioritize the overall health and well-being of the birds. Regulatory issues. The use of genetic technologies in animal breeding is subject to regulation, and breeders must ensure compliance with relevant laws and guidelines. Conclusion. The future of racing pigeon breeding lies at the intersection of tradition and innovation. Genes like VIP, TR-beta-2, CRY1, CRY2, and CRY4 hold the key to unlocking new levels of performance in these remarkable birds. By integrating genetic insights with time-tested breeding practices, the sport can continue to evolve while honoring its rich heritage. However, this progress must be guided by a commitment to ethical principles and a holistic understanding of the factors that contribute to a pigeon's success. As science continues to illuminate the genetic foundations of avian biology, the possibilities for enhancing the performance of racing pigeons are virtually limitless.
There are many reasons to buy my racing pigeon method. Here are some of the best reasons. You will get excellent results. It's a very simple system to use. It's affordable. I have had over 400 first prize winners. It's adaptable to any situation. You can use it with any racing method, natural, widowhood, young birds. It's a very effective method. There is no need to spend a lot of money on fancy pigeon products. It's a reliable system and it is foolproof to use. Professional athletes, race horses, take the same products. There is science behind this, not just hearsay. It is all to do with red blood cells and oxygen in the blood. Without that, a pigeon will not race well, or an athlete will not win a race. If he has low oxygen in his blood, the above is fact and is 100% science. There are a few things you can do to improve your chances of winning at racing pigeons. One of the most important things is to learn as much as you can about the sport. You'll need to know the different types of pigeons, how to train them, and how to race them. Another key factor is practice. You'll need to be able to fly your pigeons confidently in order to win races. And, of course, you'll need to have the funds to invest in racing pigeons and other racing equipment.